What's the meaning of bounder? Bounder. Bounder.
Bounder. Bounder. The term bounder is typically used to refer to someone who lacks social grace and behaves in a vulgar or boorish manner. Such an individual may be perceived as presumptuous, rude, or insensitive to others. The term is often used in British English, though it may be employed more widely. It can have negative connotations, suggesting a certain lack of refinement or social status. The word bounder is not commonly used in modern language, but has a dated feel to it, perhaps suggesting a bygone era of social mores and hierarchies.